how to transfer money from DraftKings to Apple Pay. Now, Apple Pay is not directly supported, but here's a workaround. You want to open up the DraftKings app or the website and log in with your credentials. Then we will go to the withdrawal section and choose PayPal as the withdrawal method. What we're going to do is transfer the money over to PayPal and then from PayPal to a debit card which is linked to Apple Pay. You want to complete the withdrawal. Here you can pause the video and read on how you can do that. And afterwards we will transfer the PayPal funds to Apple Pay to an Apple Pay linked bank account or debit card. Once the funds are in our PayPal account, you can transfer them to your Apple Pay linked debit card or bank account. Here's how we do it. To transfer the PayPal funds to your bank, you will log into the PayPal app or website. Then go to PayPal balance and select transfer. You will choose transfer to bank or transfer to card and complete the transfer. This can take a few minutes to 1 to 3 business days depending on the method you've chosen. So I hope this workaround works for you. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.